Dogecoin is looking primed to have a really nice breakout, so let's discuss the short term and the long term and the confluences all in between. If you don't know who I am, my name is EQ. I'm the founder of the EPIQ trading floor, and I've helped over 1,500 people learn how to trade since 2021. Which, if you want to join us in the EPIQ trading floor, it is free to sign up. I'll leave the link in the video as well as the description of this video. Which, by the way, the all access pass is 60% sold out, and there are 2 spots left in the one-on-one coaching. Now, when we're taking a look on the short terms, let's add a Fibonacci from bottom to top of this impulse move. You'll see that we did hold a nice little double bottom, and we are in the epic golden pocket holding as a support, which is extremely bullish. We are also in a bullish crossover based on the epic crossover strategy. We've tested the point of control based on the VRVP, or the visible range volume profile. We've confirmed the support on top of the LRC, and everything is looking bullish. Now, if the market does decide to take off and we see Bitcoin dominance slip down, which would be money flowing into altcoins, we could easily see something like this break back up into that 28-cent range, retest this high. And if we are able to break this range high right here at 28 cents, we can easily see this push up to the 36 to 40 cent range, because this pulled down into the epic golden pocket, which gives it a good opportunity to go to take profit 3. Now, at the same time, if you look at this from the daily perspective, even more zoomed out, we had a nice impulse move from 9 cents all the way up to about 48 cents, retraced all the way down to about 14 cents into the 13-cent range for a little bit of liquidity. And now again, we're starting to see a nice double bottom. We're starting to see a hold in the epic golden pocket. You're essentially seeing a confluence between multiple time frames. So if this does want to hold and continue to play out to the top side on the longer terms, we can easily see this push back up to the 48-cent range and test this range high. And then based on this Fibonacci standard on the longer terms, we can see this go up to take profit 3, or let's say TP2 to TP3 range, because we hit this epic golden pocket. That would put us at about 72 to 87 cents, just shy of that dollar range. And mind you, the $1 for a Dogecoin is the current unicorn. People have been waiting years to see this project hit $1. Our all-time high from 2021 on Doge was 71 cents, basically like 73 cents if you go all the way up to the liquidity sweep. That would only be about a 17 to 21% push up to take profit 3. And then from that point, this is just one impulse move. So theoretically speaking, this could come down, take a little bit of retracement, and then pop right back up and test this dollar range if Doge really wanted to, going into a parabolic altcoin season. And mind you, none of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the Dogecoin team in any way, and I am currently invested in Doge at the making of this video. Dogecoin is one of the ones that I was adding back in 2022 and 2023. And I do believe that Doge can hit that 2021 all-time high and can start to go parabolic from that point. I don't see why it wouldn't be able to, especially considering the amount of macros and news and sentiment that goes into it. It doesn't really take much. It takes a couple tweets and this thing can go to the moon. And as you can imagine, if Doge starts to push into the 50-cent range, a lot of people are going to be interested in getting back into the project. But we'll leave it at that. If you want to stay up to date with my trades or anything like that, go check out the EPIQ trading floor. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, hit that subscribe button. If you learn anything, hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world, and I will see you in the next video.